In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to merge a new component into another component in Figma. This process is straightforward and can significantly enhance your workflow by allowing you to design more efficiently and cohesively. So, let's dive in. First, we begin by accessing Figma. Figma is a powerful, collaborative interface design tool widely used by professionals in the design industry. Head over to your web browser and open Figma's homepage. If you already have an account, look for the login option typically located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your credentials to access your Figma workspace. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Figma home. The home interface is where you'll find all your recent projects and can manage your files efficiently. From here, navigate to the project you want to work on by selecting it from the recent section or finding it in your designated folders. Inside your project, focus shifts to identifying and clicking on the component you wish to merge with. Components in Figma are essential as they help maintain consistency across your designs by allowing you to reuse design elements. Now, locate the component that you're going to merge your new design into. You'll typically find this in the Layers panel or directly on the canvas if it's active. The next step is to copy your new design. You might have designed this elsewhere or received it from a colleague. Either way, make sure your new design is prepped and ready to be integrated by highlighting it, then copying it. You can do this by selecting the design, then using the shortcut Command+C on Mac or Control+C on Windows. With your design copied, the following action is crucial. You need to turn this new design into a component itself. To do so, right-click on the copied design and select Create Component from the drop-down menu. This is vital because Figma treats components distinctly, allowing you to seamlessly integrate and later edit them as necessary. Now that your new design is a component, you can proceed with merging it into the primary component you selected earlier. Depending on your use case, this might mean replacing an existing part of that component or adding this as a new variant. By taking these steps, you'll successfully integrate new elements into existing components, maintaining the adaptability and uniformity that Figma is renowned for. This process not only speeds up your design workflow, but also ensures your design system remains robust and scalable. And just like that, you've effectively merged a new component into another in Figma. Remember, the key to mastering this is practice. The more you experiment with components, the more intuitive it'll become. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and feel free to revisit this guide whenever you need a refresher. Happy designing!